there, Juggies? It's your old pal.
Pork pies ball!
What? Well, you already know what, because it's all aboard 500,000 Allahu Akbar! Hey, subscribers, whatever you want to call it. What matters is we're here, and it came so soon. John Cena! I'm not expecting it, so.
I'm not happy, Bob. Not happy.
Oh, this one's better. I have prepared for you guys an amazing fucking smorgasbord of things. Oh yes, thank you. We're pretending this is 500K plaque, but it's actually just the 100K plaque. What a job! Yes, very nice. Thank you, mother. Thank you.
Congratulations!
Yes. Poopy John is celebrating too with his jumps. Let's go see how Jeffrey's doing. It was not easy to get these guys all in on it. I had to pay them off with delicious, delicious food. Check this out, guys. Got a little surprise! What? Oh, okay, alright, well that didn't go as planned. Let's see how Jeffrey's doing in here. Jeffrey, you ready for that?
Wait, what? What was that?
Is he in the bathroom?
You have nothing to threaten me with. Nothing to do with all your strength.
This is part of the video! This isn't part! Hey! Court, get up! Oh, shit!
What do you want me to do?
Stop! Come back! Video!
What video? This is mine.
Yeah, this isn't part of it! It's not yours, it's mine! I earned it! You're right, fucking filmed everything! Get him!
How do you want me to get it? What the heck?
Dude, what are you doing? What is that?
You don't understand anything, do you?
No.